Hey guys, I hope you are fine and doing perfectly well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve the old classic area widget. In the appearance widget section, when the WordPress updated to latest version, there is some new layout changes that some persons do not like that, but some of them who are working from many years on WordPress, they do like the still old version, like I do. This is very like to me it's not very good looking and compatible to my eyes. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can bring it back to the old widget area that was very easy to use as well. And let's start this video. Before we start, please like and subscribe my channel. And if there is anything that you wanted to ask me, you can come back, reach out to me on the in the comment section. Okay, so let's start it. Good. What you need to have to do is that you need to log into website, WordPress website dashboard as admin, and once you will login as admin, you will be here, something like that. It will be something like that. What you need to do is that go to plugins, add new, and what you need to do is that install Classic Widgets. It's already there, by the way. Now I have searched it. Now let's wait. Okay, so you can see there is Classic Widgets, and let me show you before the layout is like this one. Okay, you can see the layout. This is before we are in the old section, Classic view. Now let's activate this plugin. Okay, you can see that plugin is already activated. Okay, and then now we will refresh this page and you will see. Okay, you can see that this is the old version of the classic widgets. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe my channel.